In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively search for movies on Google Drive. Whether you're an absolute beginner or have a bit of experience, these steps will help you make the most out of your Google Drive movie searching efforts. Let's dive right in by first opening your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head over to the Google homepage. This will be your starting point for finding movies stored on Google Drive. You're going to want to keep it simple and efficient as you conduct your search. Now, in the search bar, you'll type in specific keywords to hone in on what you're looking for. Consider starting with the movie's name, followed by Google Drive. It's crucial to use quotes around these words. This directs Google to look for the exact phrase and not separate terms, which improves the relevance of your search results. Also, adding file types such as MP4 or AVI can further narrow down the results to video files, which is exactly what you're after. This simple trick can save you a lot of time and effort sifting through unrelated links. Once you hit enter, you'll notice a list of search results. It's important to proceed with caution. Make sure to click on legitimate links that directly host or lead to Google Drive files to avoid unnecessary redirects or suspicious sites. In many cases, you'll be able to preview the video directly within Google Drive without needing to download anything, allowing for quick viewability. Should you find a file you want to download, check that you have enough storage space on your own Google Drive or on your device. To download, click on the file to open the preview window, then navigate to the download option typically represented by a downward arrow icon. If you prefer to keep the file within your Google Drive, simply select the Add to My Drive option. This is perfect for keeping track of your finds and accessing them with ease anytime in the future. At times, you might encounter sharing settings that restrict access to a file. In such cases, you may need to request access from the file owner. A quick note here. Always respect intellectual property rights and download or share files responsibly. Remember, a good rule of thumb when searching for movies on Google Drive is to be specific with your terms to filter out the noise and focus on the most relevant results. It's all about creating a digital library that serves your entertainment needs while managing your resources well. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding and enjoying your favorite movies on Google Drive. With these tips, you can seamlessly explore, download, and store film content, ensuring that your next movie night is always just a search away. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.